Here we go. With the class 4. So these little minis, all of them minis out of the stable here, and it's Scunthorpe for 36 then, but into that bottom corner of the goal. And the one or two of them still not learned the message that not to go out too far and not to go in too far. Scunthorpe 36 from Star 50. Third now in that one because the Star 50 cars got up there and they were into. And we've lost one into the middle of the field already. But coming round it's still 36. Burn Copeland taking the Friday Star 50. Copeland in the Scunthorpe 36 leading the fray from Star 50 and the wheel on that one and 254 and Invicta 10-24. He'd have to drop back again, but he's still not giving up without trying. Coming round, checkered flag at the ready this time, and it's going to be tight. And as they come up here, I think it's the Green Machine. It is. It's the Star 50. Scunthorpe 36. Scunthorpe.
Oh, look at that.
And Victor kept 24. And the Mini has gone mad. Coming on.